Olivia by the ocean. Olivia lives by the ocean. She is going to walk by the water. She finds some stones. Those stones are pretty. She pokes her toes in the water. Oh, the water feels good. Olivia walks over to a little puppy. Are you all alone, little puppy? She pets the puppy's soft nose. Here comes Olivia's friend Toby. You found my puppy, Pokey, says Toby. I left the door open, Pokey ran out. Thank you for finding him, says Toby. I also have a puppy. Her name is Opal, says Olivia. It is time for Olivia to go home. Olivia waves to Toby and Pokey. I hope I see you tomorrow. The end.